Acrylic po.
Ano yun? Pwedeng ma-wash off naman.
Opo, water-based po siya.
Oo, sige. Mahapde, okay lang.
Medyo makati po, pero okay lang po.
Sa totoo lang po, nag-bodypaint na lang po kasi kami kasi nagkulang po kami sa budget. Instead na magtatahi pa kami ng costume, nag-bodypaint na lang kami.
Hurt me for what I am. I never change all my colors for you. Take some love, I'll never ask for much. This all that you want, everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna help you go where you don't find love. I don't want it back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't take me back.
Ikaw at sino yung kasabayan mo kanina? Bakit na iba kayo sa kanilang lahat? Nung ang ganda-ganda ng
Kumain na lang kayo next time doon.
So,
Huwag na kayo
oo, sa
mag-ano.
formation, yung tumbling yung nakaka-distract. Pero cute yung idea. Sino bang nakaisip nito? Uy, very creative ka. What's your name?
Frank po.
Yung ginawa niyo, ano yan?
Bali po, colorful po yung ginawa namin kasi it symbolizes rainbow po.
Hindi ko alam kung paano i-judge kayo. Either it's because of the choreography
Or the chorus.
or just the main singing. Of course, it enhances your song, no? Pero kanina, medyo sumabit ka sa high notes, no? But, ang ganda ng presentation niyo.
Gusto ko yung vision ni Frank. Ako mag-yes.
Ako, dahil nakikita kong gutom na sila, ako mag-yes.
To remind you to rehearse some more, I'll say no, okay?